Hello everybody, we are in Florida in Orlando. We have checked into LaQuinta, Universal Boulevard. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the room. We're in room 715. So here's a quick look at the room. We got the big mirror. Welcome home. We got a nice little fridge, microwave, coffee maker.
And unique tile.
Yes.
Well, that's a good size
Decent
closet.
sized closet with the iron and the ironing board and your luggage rack. And the washroom. Big washroom. Full tub and shower, which is nice. Hair dryer. Again, the gigantic old big mirror. Full dresser. Got a nice desk. Not that we need it for anything other than to maybe put stuff on, but we do have the desk. There we go. Get some more light in here. Light switch. The one thing I don't see is any USB ports. So we're missing out on that because most places now have them. But, you know, not a big deal. Price was right. For 2 nights, we paid $300. So pretty cheap, or inexpensive.
Yes.
And our view from the room, we are right next to iconpark. So we see down there
Pool
the
and
pool
and jacuzzi.
and the hot tub. And then we've got the giant swing. And then the Pirate Golf right out in front over here. Window's a little dirty up here, but we are on the 7th floor, so I don't really expect much more than that because I wouldn't want to come up here and have to clean that. But yeah, so this is the view from our room here at LaQuinta Universal Boulevard in Orlando, Florida. Check it out. Like I said, price was great. $300 for 2 nights, which is pretty cheap, especially President's Week and all. So
And Valentine's.
yes, and Valentine's. So yeah, don't hesitate to check out the hotel and enjoy your stay when you get here. Have a good night and welcome home.